In this video, we're going to look at two examples. The first one, we're going to take a family of solutions to a differential equation and then derive what the actual differential equation is. In the second example, we'll have a solution to a differential equation, but there will be some unknown coefficients that we solve for. Let's get started with the family of solutions example. So we'll have a family of solutions y of t is equal to t squared plus c, where c can be any number. Now to figure out what differential equation gives rise to this family of solutions, we're going to subtract t squared off of the right side, so we get y of t minus t squared is equal to a constant, and then we can take the derivative of both sides. So let's do y of t minus t squared prime, and that's equal to 0. Computing this out, we get y prime of t minus 2t is equal to 0. So y prime of t is equal to 2t. And this is the differential equation that gives rise to this family of solutions. Y of t is equal to t squared plus c. Now we'll do an example where we have undetermined coefficients, and we have to figure out what they are in order for our function to be a solution to a differential equation. So the differential equation we'll have is y prime of t minus y of t is equal to t. And the function that's a potential solution is y of t is equal to ce to the t plus a times t plus b. And we're looking for a and b. C can actually be anything and it'll still be a solution, but a and b are the undetermined coefficients that we need to figure out. So we're going to plug this into the differential equation and start computing. Okay, computing this, we have ce to the t plus a times t plus b, taking the derivative of this, minus ce to the t plus a times t plus b. We get, computing the derivative inside, we get ce to the t plus a. Then on the right, we get minus ce to the t minus at minus b, and we can cancel these. Simplifying this, we get minus a times t plus a minus b. And this is supposed to be equal to, well, up here when we do y prime minus y, we're supposed to get t. So this whole thing should be equal to t. So let's equate the sides. We have negative a times t is equal to t, and a minus b is equal to 0. This one tells us that a is equal to negative 1, and this one tells us that, as a minus sign, that b is also equal to negative 1. So our solution to this equation is y of t is equal to c e to the t minus 1. And that's where I'm going to end this video.